Alright guys, I finally got my Ohmmu battery in. It really didn't take too long to come in. Probably like 2 or 3 days. I live in Texas. So I will be going through the unboxing video, installation, and a simple app review. So take off the cover where the battery is. And also undo the high voltage disconnect where the fuse box is. I started with disconnecting the negative terminal. And then do the positive terminal. You just got to take out that little plate right there. It was very easy to do. Finally, when the positive terminal is done, you just got to move the cord out. Again, I put this on the microfiber towel. Then you have to start on the bottom bolt. That kind of locks in the battery in place, so you got to remove that. So finally, when it's all undone, you got to take this battery out. That was actually the hardest part. You got to wiggle it in the right angle. The battery's super heavy, weighs like 30 pounds or whatnot. So this took me a couple of tries. I just had to find the right angle, and I finally got it. Finally, the struggle is real. This sucker right here is so much lighter, and it was so easy to get into place. No real issues. All right, new battery's in. Now we have to start connecting it, and you pretty much reverse the process. So you connect the the ground back in. Obviously, you're gonna get power, but do it as fast as you can in terms of actually putting the terminal back in. Just get it in there and start tightening it up, because it will spark for a split second. Putting the cover back on right here. So this is secure. Everything's secure. Put the cover back in. Right. Get it snaps right back into place. Tab back in. Fuse box. Front. And that's the install. And she started right up. And here's the app. It shows 35% charging. Here's the voltage reader. Total power. And the advance. It goes through cycles, temperature, how many months it is. Little info. All right. right, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I do have a coupon code. It is Jay's Tech Garage. Coupon code saves you 5%. Take advantage. These are supposed to be very good batteries for an electric vehicle, because the 12-volt battery that comes with the vehicles, generally they're just not so good. So take advantage, use the coupon code. Thank you very much for watching.